I am on page 23 of the reading workbook, and we are going to work on filling in this piece today. So if you will turn with me to page 23, and we've already annotated everything is here ready to go, and I'm going to turn in my textbook to that page as well. And then in your packet of material for the 7 Wonders of the World, you should have the page or the little graphic that looks like this. I call that the 4-door graphic. So if you will find that piece, remember to take it from that 7 Wonders of the World packet, because these are different sizes. So you want to be sure that it's going to fit in this space. So it needs to come from the bag that has this title on there, 7 Wonders of the World. Okay, and the first thing that we're going to look at, I want you to open up the door that says structure. So this door right here, go ahead and open that up. And the structure of this passage about the 7 Wonders is informational. Can I fit it all in there? It is informational text, and its purpose is to tell us info and facts. So there are just a lot of details in this passage that tell us all about the 7 wonders of the world. So the structure is informational. I'll just slide over here. Let's open this door, the one that says topics. And we have this in our green highlighted area. The topic of this whole passage is 7 wonders of the world. So in your annotating, this is what you have done in green. Green is the color that we're using for our topics. 7 wonders of the world. Okay, let's open up the door for keywords. That's this one right there. Keywords. And there are 7 of these because we're talking about 7 wonders of the world. And we're going to abbreviate these. We're going to use acronyms. We haven't talked about acronyms yet, but we will. So this means Great Wall of China. Then we have Chichen Itza. I'm not going to abbreviate Petra because that's short. Machu Picchu. Christ the Redeemer, and that's a statue name, so we underline that one. The Colosseum, I won't abbreviate that one, but I need to check the spelling because I have trouble with that word. I want to put 2 L's. And then the Taj Mahal, so I'll just abbreviate that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the 7 wonders of the world that we've been talking about. And on the annotation key, those are yellow. They're key words or phrases. Remember, this is just to help us comprehend what we're reading, so I don't have to worry about everything being spelled correctly. We need to always worry about spelling, but I don't need to worry about it being written exactly correctly. We just can abbreviate or whatever we need to do to get that in there. All right, the last door is the main idea door, and I need to zoom here because I do want to write the sentence that goes with this one. And let me get a pencil, that is the correct color. And here's the main idea sentence. Long before technology, and that would include computers, comma, people were building structures that are still wonders to us today. And I'm not copying this exactly from the text, but that's okay because this is just for my comprehension. Long before technology, people were building, and I left that word out as I very often do, structures that are still wonders to us today. And this is our main idea sentence, so I'll highlight that in blue. Okay. So we have done a summary of sorts for this passage. We've broken this very long passage down into its bare bones, to the main points that we need to know to comprehend the story. Now, I know that you can't do this on a test. You can't bring your scissors and your glue and your highlighters and those things. What I am trying to do by having us do these over and over again is to teach you to think this way. So even though you won't be able to color and highlight things, I want you to remember to think through these things because that will help you to answer a lot of those test questions. If you can learn to, if you really have to teach yourself to think through these steps every single time and through this process. And even though you don't have the colored pencils in your hand, you can still think this way and understand a lot of what you read. Okay, I believe that is all for this video. So I'll see you soon for the next part of this lesson. Have a great day.